Today we're talking about Ecom Boss and whether it's actually worth it in 2026 because honestly, there are a lot of e-commerce courses online right now, and many of them promise fast money, financial freedom, and easy success with dropshipping. So, naturally, a lot of people are wondering if Ecom Boss is actually legit or just another overhyped e-commerce mentorship. So, in this video, I'm going to break down what Ecom Boss is, what people are saying about it, the pros and cons, and whether it's really worth paying for in 2026. First, what is Ecom Boss? Ecom Boss is an e-commerce mentoring and coaching program focused mainly on helping beginners start selling products online. The company says the program includes step-by-step e-commerce training, one-on-one, coaching, community support, and guidance for beginners entering e-commerce and dropshipping. And honestly, the biggest thing they promote is mentorship and support, not just pre-recorded videos. Now, one thing that stands out immediately, a lot of reviews mention the coaching support positively, especially beginners who say the program simplifies e-commerce concepts and gives structured guidance. Some students also mention getting help through calls, messages, and mentorship while setting up their stores or marketplaces. Let's talk about the positive side first, because honestly, there are people who seem genuinely happy with the program on platforms. Like Trustpilot, many users describe the training as beginner-friendly, easy to follow, and supportive for people with no e-commerce experience. A lot of reviews also mention step-by-step modules, community support, and accountability, which honestly can help beginners who struggle learning everything alone. Now, another thing people mention, the program appears heavily focused on mindset consistency and actually taking action rather than just watching videos. And honestly, that's important in e-commerce because most people fail simply from quitting too early. Now let's talk about the downsides, because there are definitely some things people should think about before joining. First, the price. Several discussions online mention the program being expensive, with some Reddit users claiming prices around several thousand Australian dollars for mentorship access. And honestly, that's a serious investment for beginners, especially if you have never made money online before. Now, another important thing, some people online say the strategies are not completely unique and that a lot of e-commerce information today can already be learned for free through YouTube forums, Discord groups, and free e-commerce communities. Now, let's be honest for a second. This applies to many e-commerce courses online. Most courses are not selling secret methods. They are usually selling structure, mentorship, accountability, community, and guidance. And for some people, that actually helps a lot, especially beginners who feel overwhelmed trying to learn everything alone. Now, another important thing, e-commerce itself is not easy in 2026, and honestly, this is something many courses do not explain. Clearly enough, running ads costs money, testing products costs money, and building a successful store usually takes time. So nobody should expect instant success just because they joined a mentorship program. Now, another thing worth mentioning, community. Opinions online are mixed. Some Reddit users say the mentorship helped them understand e-commerce better, while others question whether high-ticket e-commerce courses are truly worth the price. And honestly, that's pretty normal in the e-commerce course space. Now, here's probably the most important question. Who is this actually good for? Honestly, Ecom Boss probably makes the most sense for complete beginners, people who want structured guidance, and people who learn better with coaching and accountability. But if you already understand e-commerce, well-run ads, build stores, or have experience already, you may not get the same value from beginner-focused mentorship. So to wrap this up, Ecom Boss does appear to be a real e-commerce mentoring program with active students and coaching support. And there are definitely people online saying they had positive experiences with the mentorship and structure, but honestly, whether it's worth it depends heavily on your budget, your experience level, your expectation, whether you actually plan to put in the work, because no e-commerce course mentorship or AI tool is going to magically build a successful business for you automatically.